Interesting flavor. We can actually use this red.
To the, I don't know what's.
I'm surprised that, should we take a little piece of a knife and just put a slit in there for you guys to pull
No,
through?
you just gotta,
No, it's just
if
that
you
these are
just kinda
massive.
move it a little bit.
That's probably already.
It looks
cooled
pretty
off.
hot. Pretty hot still.
Okay, so you got my face.
Yeah.
There we go.
Those are okay on that side.
Well, I just don't want chicken juice on the handle.
Minus 10 points for the board. You guys see the new show?